Okay, so earlier I did a boost, and so with my regular stuff, but this time I'm gonna try out a boost with all this stuff. I mean, yes, I still do have my glider on, but that doesn't really make much of a difference, does it now? But look at how short I jumped, though. This jumping is just this for me. I mean, I still have my parachute. Oh, God. Okay, then I'll do a red boost. I'll do a big red boost, and then we'll see how it is. And I watched someone's video on B-Swarm, tips and tricks for mid-games. And they said that most mid-game players have around, like, 4 gifted bees. And I mean, technically, but I'm not a regular mid-game player. And technically I'm still mid-game, except I have 30. Yeah, that's right, I have 30. Crazy, I know. Okay, just gonna do that. Just gonna do that and that. Okay, let's go. This is still gonna probably be a terrible boost. I gotta get my microphone first. Oh my god. My backpack's filling up so quick because of my bees, though. It is basically just my bees doing this operation right now. I'm getting 40,000. This would actually be a pretty good boost if I was just on my main. If I was just doing my main. I'm on my main account, but if I was using my main stuff and everything. Okay, but like. Oh god, I forgot to place my sprinklers, guys. I forgot to place the sprinklers. 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 Okay, there we go. Oh, there's a cloud in the field. Yay. I'm gonna see how much of a difference it made after that. And I saw someone doing the same thing, except he had a lot more bees and everything. And he was like, oh, okay. Yeah, 15 million honey. Not bad, not bad. 15 million? For a mid tier, that's like quadrillion for a pro. I don't really care IIX rainbow. I should come to Mushroom to do that. I'm in Mushroom, get out of Mushroom, it's my field. It's my field, Mushroom's my field, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Get out, get out of Mushroom. Mushroom is my field. Currently, Mushroom has been taken over by Dominic and is going to be my field forever and ever. And whatever. God, this game's so glitchy, guys. Oh, and if you're wondering why I'm not planting my sprout right now, just see like how fast I did it down. I did it down pretty fast, but like how fast I did it down. I'm saving my sprouts up for sunflower because I'm trying to get enough oil so I can get the honey mask. Yeah, that's what I'm saving up for currently. Also, guys, I know a little trick. If you can't beat coconut crab, however, I find it really hard. Like, really, really hard. I'm actually going out to do, like, some target practice out at hunting camp with one of my cousins. It's gonna be fun. I don't think I'll be making videos there. Yeah, definitely don't think that's gonna happen. What did I say? Where? Follow me. Oh, does that person not know how to get into the 5B zone? The 5B zone, you gotta have 5 Bs. You know what it means to have 5 Bs. Bees. Bees. My bees are actually really good. And look at how much pollen I'm getting right now. And I have the worst stuff in the game. The worst guards. The worst everything. Oh. Okay, this boost is gonna be over by the time either my cousin finds me or the red extract and the oil and stuff's on. Earlier I actually got an armored aphid. Isn't that crazy? And a couple weeks ago I got a rage aphid. I couldn't even hit him. My beast couldn't even hurt him. I mean, a rage aphid, that's crazy. I haven't even seen one of those before, ever. He appeared up in pepper. So I was getting a lot of leaves. Speed, 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 speed. Speed is tea. Speed is tea. I'm not gonna do the aqua of silence. That's outdated. It's outdated on my channel because I made up awkward moment of silence. I made it up. It's mine. Nobody else can tell me they made it up because I made it up on my YouTube channel. I did it. I made it. I made it. That's terrific, and I did it. Fuzzy tokens. I mean, I've made around, like, by my bag strength, 7 million. But I mean, I'm still getting money besides that. I mean, look at that, 70,000? This would be a good boost. Not gonna lie, this would actually be a good boost. Coconut. Okay, my boost and stuff is almost over. Yeah, I know. I know. I'm not gonna do that vicious bee. And I would do it if I wasn't boosting like crazy over here. Some random pro just goes by. Oh hey, there's a noob. There's a noob over there. Wait a second. With that many beasts? I think I can get another fill, or maybe even two. With the stuff that I have currently on here. Okay, or maybe not. Maybe not, you know? Maybe not. Maybe I will now. Or maybe I also won't. Or maybe I will. Nobody knows. Knew it! Okay, and that's about the end. And let's see, how much honey did I make? 3, 2, 1. 20 million. 20 million. Seriously. 20 million. I thought it'd be a bit more than that. Like, 20 million? Seriously? Seriously? Wait, I am not Think Noodles. Wait. Think Noodles. Let's see how much honey I've made all time. So you guys really haven't seen that yet. Bam! 5 billion honey. You know what's weird? In that video, the pro said, "Oh yay, 15 billion, not bad." I haven't even made that in my entire playing of the stream, and I've been playing it since the very start. Except I missed like 2 years of it. But basically, what did I just? Oh my god. Yep. Exactly the same. Oh my gosh. Okay. Some hard grindy over there. Okay. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Wait, like and subscribe. Bye bye.